So after high school, I did 2 years at sixth form where I studied English literature, English language and history. At that time I worked as a party host, doing children's parties, which I think helped with my communication and confidence within myself, especially in front of large groups of people day in, day out. And then on top of that, I also did a digital marketing Google Garage course, which, I had to do a certain amount of hours of work to get a mini qualification, just to help boost my CV, to help boost my confidence within marketing before actually having a role. And yeah, I think that really helped me. Apprenticeships have always been the path I wanted to go on. University's never really, called out my name. I've not really been interested, so I've always wanted to have work experience. I value that a lot more than necessarily just a qualification. So the fact that I get to have work experience, be around people who have so much knowledge, and as well as being paid for what I'm doing and getting the qualification at the end, I just think it's an absolute no-brainer. And yeah, I do see that university is valuable for certain roles, but I definitely think that apprenticeship was the way to go for me. So I used to want to work in publishing, and I searched for a online apprenticeship that lasted a couple of days to just gain some more knowledge, to see if it's really what I wanted to do. And part of that apprenticeship was a marketing sector. We looked in that, and it's something that really called out my name, and I enjoyed everything that was in it. I thought I was completely capable of it. I thought it was really interesting and it really captivated me, and ever since then I changed my my goal, and the career path I chose was marketing. While I was studying my A-levels, I was searching for jobs. Obviously, I was looking for apprenticeships, especially level 3 in digital marketing. And after searching for a while, Instarmac came up. I did a lot of research into the company, looked at their website, their values, things about the people, about the company, the work they do, and it absolutely it's something I wanted to be a part of. And luckily I got the role, and I have no regrets of that at all. Absolutely. I think that especially the customer life cycle, something I've gone through with Sarah, my trainer. I think it's really important to look at things from a customer's perspective and how they view what we do. And obviously with marketing, we are targeting our customers. So I think that seeing it through their lens and the different backgrounds and how that can affect how they view things, I think that's really important. Sarah, she's always on hand. If I have any questions, she's always answering my email straight away. Obviously I have her number, I have her email. I know she's always available, especially on Fridays, if I need to call her. So yeah, I think the communication's really, really good there and very, very effective and helpful for me. Absolutely. I think it was a no-brainer for me, and I understand everybody's different, everyone has different priorities, but I think being able to work with such amazing people, as well as, like I say, earning money, getting a qualification, I just think the work experience is absolutely crucial. I absolutely would love to be progressing within Instarmac. Marketing is definitely the way to go for me, and I'd really hope to progress, especially in Instarmac.
For more information on apprenticeships, call or email us today. Terms and conditions apply.